How do I replace the air filter in my CBA27UHE unit? I have the electrical connection to the front of the filter unit.
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
The airflow is not the same as when it was installed in August.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, with some help from you, or we'll have to call.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I already have the replacement filters. I have the electronic filter which has 2 latches and electrical connector on it.
There is not a filter in the CBA27UHE. That is an AC coil. If you have a furnace, it sits on filter will be in very bottom door or in that electronic one you mentioned. See if there's a different model on that unit. You may be presented an offer for a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore offer for phone call as I am unable to take a call right now, but we can work here as long as needed. The offer is automatically site generated.
The filter is on the bottom of the unit. I took the cover off using the 2 screws on the side. I see the electronic unit with the electrical connector, plug type. I lifted the 2 latches on the unit itself. I do not to force anything out without further instruction from you.
I understand. These usually slide right out, but I will need a model on that actual air cleaner to know which one you have. There should be a label on the air cleaner itself.
If you could send me the instruction manual for replacing the filter unit would be very helpful.
I absolutely will be glad to do that if you can tell me which air cleaner you have. Did you look in this slot? There can be one in there. Is one of these the one you have? https://www.linuxbros.com/docs/technical/2101119.pdf.
My son just got here and removed it. I'm putting the new filters in now. I'm 70 years old and he pulled it out without any problem. Age had a lot to do with it.
I understand. Let me know if I can help further and if that helps once you clean it. Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
It is blowing more air already. Thank you for putting up with me.
No problem, I wanted to help, just did not want to provide info on anything except your unit. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.